Here we have AP calculus AB problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Find the indefinite integral. Use C for constant of integration. Here we have an indefinite integral, that is integral cosecant x times 6 negative 6 times cosine square x all divided by 4 times dx. Okay, my first step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor 6 out from these two terms, because inside the parenthesis in this expression 6 is the greatest common divisor for both the terms over here, so we can factor 6 out. If I factor 6 out, now I'm getting 1 negative cosine square x inside the parenthesis all divided by 4 times dx. Let me write it. Okay, so now integral cosecant x times 6 times. Now let me consider the Pythagorean identity in trigonometry, that is sine square x positive cosine square x equals to 1. Okay, now let me solve for sine square x in this one. For that I have to subtract cosine square x from both sides. Let me do it. So then I'm getting sine square x equals to this positive cosine square x, negative cosine square x will cancel. Then I'm getting 1 negative cosine square x on the right side. So instead of this 1 negative cosine square x, what I can do is I can plug in sine square x. Okay, let me continue over here. So for this one we can write sine square x over 4 times dx. Okay, now we can write this 6 in front of everything. Then I'm getting 6 times cosecant x times sine square x all divided by 4 times dx. Now what we can do is we can simplify this 6 and 4. The greatest common divisor of 6 and 4 is 2. There is 2 goes into 6 3 times and 2 goes into 4 2 times. So now we can write this 3 over 2 separately. There is 3 over 2 times cosecant x times sine square x dx. Okay, here in this integration, this is a part which contains variable and this complete part is multiplied by the constant 3 over 2. In integration, whenever the complete variable part is multiplied by some constant, what we can do is we can move the constant out of the integration. So when I do so, I'm getting 3 over 2 times integral cosecant x times sine square x dx. Now let me continue the next step. 3 over 2 times integral, and here we can use reciprocal identity in trigonometry, that is cosecant x equals to 1 over sine x. So we can plug in this 1 over sine x for the cosecant x we have over here. Okay, let me continue the step. There is a 1 over sine x. I plug in 1 over sine x for this cosecant x over here, and for the sine square x, what we can do is we can write sine x times sine x, then we get dx. So this sine x and sine x will cancel out. I'm getting 3 over 2 integral sine x dx. Okay, 3 over 2 times the integration of sine x is negative cosine x. Okay, since it's an indefinite integral, once we are done with the integration process, always we have to add the constant of integration c. So let me add the constant of integration c. Now we can multiply this 3 over 2 and negative cosine x. In that case, I'm getting negative 3 over 2 times cosine x positive c. So this is the evaluation of the given indefinite integral.